Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Jamaluddin Chaudhary, and today I'll talk about urban biodiversity, the challenges it faces, and the opportunities we have to protect it in a fast growing world. Biodiversity means the variety of living things like plants, animals, and microorganisms in an area. In cities, we have forgot about biodiversity because of buildings, roads, and industries. But urban biodiversity is important for a healthy environment and human well being. Now, what is biodiversity? Urban biodiversity refers to the plants, animals, birds, and insects that live in cities. Even though cities are full of buildings and vehicles, they still have trees, parks, lakes, and small green spaces where biodiversity starts. Now, what is the importance of biodiversity in cities? Biodiversity in cities provides many benefits. Number one, improve air quality. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making the air cleaner. Number two, controls temperature. Green areas helps reduce that the heat in cities, preventing extreme temperature. Number three, supports mental health. Nature in cities helps people to feel relaxed and reduce stress. Number four, pollution and food. Bees, butterflies, and birds help to pollinate plants, which is important for growing fruits and vegetables. Now, what is the probable challenges to urban biodiversity? As cities grow, biodiversity faces many problems. Number one, deforestation. Trees are cut to build roads and buildings, reducing green spaces. Number two, pollution. Air, water, and soil pollution harms plants and animals. And number three, climate change. Rising temperatures and unpredictable weather affect many species. And number four, and the last one, habitat destruction. Natural homes of animals are destroyed, forcing them to live or become extinct. Now, as being the opportunist, we must find out the opportunity. That's why I'm talking about the opportunities and to protect urban biodiversity. Despite these challenges, we have many ways to protect biodiversity in cities. Number one, plant more trees. It means creating park gardens and green roofs can increase green spaces, which will ultimately benefit us. Number two, reduce pollution. Using clean energy, reducing waste, and keeping water sources clean can help biodiversity. Number three, protect natural areas. Cities should preserve lakes, forests, and wetlands to provide safe spaces for wildlife. Then the fourth one, community participation. Citizens, students, and policymakers must work together to protect biodiversity. So there may be different forms. Then we may talk about the role of government and organization in preserving biodiversity in urban areas. Government and organizations play a big role in protecting biodiversity. Number one, creating policies. Laws should protect green areas and wildlife. Number two, urban planning. Cities should include green spaces in their development plans. And number three, education and awareness. Schools and colleges should teach people about biodiversity. In the conclusion, we may say Urban biodiversity is very important for our health, environment, and future generations. Even though cities are growing fast, we must take steps to protect nature. Simple actions like planting trees, reducing pollutions, and spreading awareness can make a big differences. Let's all work together to create gender greener, more sustainable cities. Thank you everyone for your patience.